Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy oats jar. This simple method is perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast. First, you'll need a few basic ingredients. About 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, and a tablespoon or 2 of a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. Make sure you have a jar with a good lid, and you're ready to begin this delicious journey. Now let's combine everything. Start by adding your 1/2 cup of rolled oats to the jar. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of milk. You can use dairy milk, almond milk, or any other plant-based option you enjoy. Then, add your 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed and the oats are fully coated. This step is crucial for even flavor distribution. This is where you can get creative and truly make it your own. Feel free to add about 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a tablespoon of chopped nuts for extra texture and nutrients. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor profile. If you like, mix in a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. The possibilities are nearly endless for customizing your perfect oats jar. Once all your ingredients are in the jar and mixed, simply secure the lid tightly. Place your oats jar in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, but ideally, let it chill overnight. This allows the oats to soften and absorb the liquid, creating a creamy and delicious texture. In the morning, your easy and nutritious breakfast will be ready to grab and enjoy. It's a perfect solution for busy mornings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.